Good morning, family. How y'all feeling? It's a new day. I hope you're feeling refreshed and just know you can hit that refresh button every time God hits refresh. Okay, we got this. Today, I just want to share what's on my heart, and it's all about keeping your word to yourself. It seems easier to keep our word to everybody else but ourselves. I've been praying for discipline, and I'm like, all right, buckle down. You say you're going to do things for other people, and no matter how hard it gets, you make sure you get that thing done. But when it comes to me, I'm like, oh, I could just take a rest day, or I've done so much for other people that I could just relax and, I could do this tomorrow, put it off for another day, even next week. We'll start fresh next week. No, I made a commitment to myself to make these daily inspirational videos. I started small. You got to start small. So I did one thing. Don't put too much on your plate. So I said I'm going to do this every single day, post to YouTube, daily inspiration, and make sure you have your why. It's bigger than me. I feel like somebody will need the word that God will target, like directly send it to that person. They need the words. So I have to do my part on my end. So I made it bigger than me. I've been doing it for 40 days. I think I hit 40 days a few days ago. And listen, I celebrated it 10 days. Celebrate your small wins too. So now I'm on day 14 of consistently working out. I finished my day 14 today. I'm going to keep it going to my birthday, December 15th. It's out there now, so now I can't slip up. But really, it's about keeping my word to myself. I kept my word to myself of the daily inspirational motivational videos, and I feel so proud. I feel so confident. And I'm like, okay, I want to add to that. So I added on another thing, which is the working out. Next, I plan to add on the eating portion or whatever I see fit, but there's a shift in my mindset. Something within me has changed to where if I used to say something to myself, I didn't fully believe it. It wasn't set in stone. That's a problem. Now I feel like when I say something, oh, I'm going to do it. I was joking with my husband yesterday. I was like, listen, this new me, don't say nothing, say I won't, because I will. Like, it's no stopping me. If I say I'm going to do something to myself, if I say I'm going to do something outward to anybody else, oh, I'm keeping my word. Like, that's me. I'm going to make sure I get it done unless, something with the kids or the husband, like priorities. Keep your priorities in check. If you need to say no, you better say no. Do not feel bad about having your priorities in check. But if I commit to something and it's something on my part where I just don't feel like it or I have to go the extra step, I'm doing it. So I have this newfound confidence within me that I can keep my word to myself. It's a beautiful feeling. So I hope that encourages you all because I was always saying I'm going to do something, I'm going to start something, I'm going to keep something going, and I fall off within not even a month, a few weeks. And I will feel so disappointed in myself and so disgusted with myself. Like I can't do anything that I say I'm gonna do. Like what's wrong with me? And I made a commitment this time. I'm keeping my word to myself because I love myself that much. For the working out portion, even when I don't feel like it, I always say, all right, I have to go tell my body that I love you. Even if it's just for 20 minutes. My goal is between 30 minutes and an hour every single day. But even when I don't feel like it, I'm like, all right, I tell my husband, like, okay, I have to go tell my body that I love her. So I have to go get this workout in. And what's been making it really fun and enjoyable is I document every single day. So I record myself like a 30-second video beforehand. And child, some days I'll be so irritated. And then I record myself afterwards. And I always make it a point to talk to myself in the videos. Like, you did it even when you didn't feel like it, girl. I'm so proud of you. And on days when I do feel motivated, I leave a little message to myself to go back to in the future on days that I don't feel like it with this energized and motivational energy that my future self may need. So it's been a beautiful journey putting these little things in place, having love for myself. I feel like it's has to start from within. And these little baby steps, keep your word to yourself and you will start to build that confidence and that trust in yourself. You need it. Your body needs it. Your mind needs it. When you say you're going to do something for God, let's take it there. You need to do it. Also, another thing for my working out, I say I need to take care of the vessel that will allow me to do what God has called me to do. If I don't take care of this vessel, if I don't say I love you, body, if I don't act like I love it, I can't be here to help anybody else. So I need to act like I have things to do. So I hope this put that battery in your back because it sure did for me when I realized this is the piece that was missing. I don't trust myself. And I got intentional about making sure I'm able to trust myself. So I hope you have a beautiful day and I will see y'all tomorrow. But if you cannot wait till tomorrow, here are some video choices that y'all could keep going and get that battery really charged up. I'll see y'all tomorrow or in the next video.